Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I included this product link in the description to find the most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Generac Gas Pressure Washer Kit 3100. Some people want the power of a more versatile pressure washer on their side. Such is the story of this Generac gas-powered pressure washer. It has the standard Generac upright design that is pretty easy to store when you're not using it. It also has a lightweight frame that also has a two-wheel system that can help you go around the yard effortlessly. The cleaning power of this particular pressure washer caps at 7,750, coming from a total of 3,100 psi at 2.5 GPM. This means that you will be able to tackle even the sturdiest of stains. And, to make things even better, with this unit, you will get a 12-inch power broom extension. The broom extension works excellent for larger leveled surfaces, like a driveway or a porch. This set also contains the soap blaster for greasy stains, and a set of 4 quick connect nozzles that help you adapt the pressure washer to other tasks. I have included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video, and don't forget to hit the like button.